times are right now. Me moments, me turn, me light up, me rough, me walk it, me path, me going the distance. Usos, me clan, family, ainga, me rocket, me foundation. Speak safe for forever, Shakhouse, me kingdom. Go on my kukuida, ole afai ina. Kalengero kuoli, all you haters get the finger. Don't intervene, interfere between me dream. Okay, caught up and get boxed in by the team. We run the scene to cross, must pay the fee. I will let you see a hero, shouts out to me brethren, sight king and freak. Me Usos up in Southtown, K plus Lutz and Priest. Shakhouse unleashed, chaos with the heat. New anthem formulation 2013. Lotanu'u.
I'm living that good life. I reminisce on the days on the rock where I earned my name and my stripes. If I but look for the bill and fam, now they know who I am. Call them in the streets, get see I represent that Uso clan. You know I'm Pongo raised, Leone lying ugly. Fuck inside my bloodline, all my Utule people love me. I ain't to the death, I'm an ave down the cooler. I want ACT and from a Congo Iseula. I love New Uli folks who rep that Satani and my Kafeka boys who always talk that Bob Marley. We here at Landlord 40, I tell you Kalaboi. You dealing with some poorlies who think it Pelu Makoi. Babai, I Eastan, I see the Coco land. Follow you, Loli, Emma, Amy, all my wifey's fam. Mad love to the LBJs, Ili, and my law. Shakhouse in the 808, out the Northwest, since that 684. Where you at?
Like I rap my island. Tutuila is the name, oh God bless the children. My people from the sun, the true Polynesian kings and queens. Samoan to the bone, it's what I mean, yeah. Ya wole leo la seki la me unga. Okay, feel lui ilang ay pasasay oy locura. We are Samoans and we come with respect. But if you don't comply, then we'll put you in check. This what we do, this what we have to do. Every day of my life, me have to put Jaja first. So many culture come through me, show them demonstration. This is how Samoans spread love all over the nation. So show me love like I show you respect. Waste man choice, this is my consequence. Grinding in the morning, we hustle in the evening. Survival of the fittest, shaman up.